Hi friends, I'm back again. I love making fried rice. Various types of fried rice. Today, on my daughter's request, I'm making prawn and egg fried rice. But don't mistake me. You must have heard it. Prawn and egg fried rice. Chinese style you must have had many times. But today I'm going to make it in Indian style. Because we love Indian. And fried rice is a very quick way of making a meal. Provided you have the ingredients ready. The texture should be right, the size should be right, and choose and pick your vegetables properly. You can have it hot, you can have it in a bland way, but the flavor of prawns and egg should come out along with the rice that we toss with it. So it's a very simple recipe with so many ingredients. Please come in. So today you will see Chef Rakesh making prawn and egg fried rice in Indian way. So I have lots of vegetables here. We have certain French beans, little finely diced, because the texture of these vegetables when you cut it, it should mix well with the rice. Larger cuts don't go. If you chop it very thin and fine, the juices of the vegetable goes out. So does the nutrients. So the basic is, if you have ingredients, you can cut the ingredients one day in advance, keep it in a airtight pack. The freshness is retained. You can use any mix of vegetables. You can use it with mushrooms. You can use it with sweet corn. You can use it green peas. But I have what I had with me. Some onions I have taken, green chili, bell pepper, carrots, French beans, and maybe I'll pick up some cabbage as well. So these are my prawns which I had cleaned, deveined, marinated. Now please take care when you are marinating. Use some lemon juice, must. Half an hour leave it in lemon juice and add some salt. Lemon juice, नींबू का रस और salt उसके जो बैक्टीरिया है या जो पॉइजनस एलिमेंट है उसे क्लियर कर देता है. फिर गुड ओल्ड इंडियन स्टाइल टर्मरिक, रेड चिली पाउडर मिक्स करके आप फ्रिज में रख दें. नेक्स्ट डे बनाना हो तो 2-4 घंटे में बनाना हो तो भी आप नॉर्मल फ्रिज में रखें, और नेक्स्ट डे बनाना है तो डीप फ्रिज में रखेंगे. प्लीज कम. और एक प्लेट के लिए 2 अंडे लिए मैंने. Some oil is there, hot oil. Now the sequence of things to go in. We put some garlic and green chili, little bit of mustard seeds, and yes, some curry leaves. This is our Indian garnishing, and now we have to take care to add prawns as much as you need. These prawns should turn golden brown. You have to cook it properly. Abad. When you put the prawns, keep the flames real high. That aroma of prawn has to come up. Let it go golden. When it is half golden, half done, add some onions. Can you pan over these vegetables? Now these are the vegetables which cook real quick. These are the vegetables which take a little time to cook. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add these greens. And let it fry with this lovely prawns. every stage you need to season your dish. Otherwise, later on you will find that the dish is under seasoned. So what are we using for seasoning? Come here. We are using some salt. I have some roasted green coriander here, black pepper. I prepare it myself, roast it, grind it, and just some mustard seeds, coriander, sorry, turmeric powder. Because the prawns have been marinated, you see some water oozing out. Let it dry, let it get crispy golden, and then we meet again. So guys, Chef Rakesh back again. The prawns are really golden crispy. When you take 1 spoon of rice, this crispy golden prawns should go into your mouth and just give you that crunchy taste. Now, we will add some those vegetables which don't need that much cooking. So there goes some cabbage and some bell pepper. And again a little bit of sprinkling of seasoning. And now the trick comes. The next trick, which I love, infusing the flavor into the rice. Infusing the flavor into the rice. Now I have prepared some just done rice. Now here I am lying a little bit. My wife has prepared this just done rice, good enough for fried rice. Remember, overcooking rice is never good. So I just cover this. Don't stir it, just cover it. Let the ingredients infuse the flavor of prawns. It should get into the rice. And it gives you time enough. It gives you time enough to actually sprinkle some seasoning needed just for the rice. A little bit of turmeric. Little bit of salt, pepper, green coriander. I think flavor is down there. Just come up. Now, I told you we will be making fried rice with egg. Reduce the flame a little. Add some oil in the middle. Focus here. Add some oil in the middle, let it heat up properly, and just put your eggs there. Now the trick here is, you don't make it a bhurji. You let it settle down and take out layer by layer. Once you push one layer, the second one comes in. Then again push a little. Let the omelette cook in the middle. And if you wish, you can add a couple of sprigs of curry leaves here also. Now this part of seasoning is still there. Remaining, I need to cover it up. The two ingredients I am missing today is tomatoes and coriander leaves. You can have a liberal dose of tomato and coriander leaves along with this rice. Tomato gives that little bit of tomato tinge to this dish, which goes down very well with the garlic. And yes, coriander leaf is all-time favorite. It goes beautifully with this dish as a garnish. So here is our dish ready to take off from the fire flame. Okay, take it. So there goes the beautiful prawn egg fried rice, Indian style.